What happens at the moment of death is not the cliché ascent to heaven, but a genuine scientific question that has puzzled humanity for millennia. Decades ago, a Nobel laureate studying black holes offered a shocking idea. Death might be a return home, not an ending. This provocative view comes from a physicist, not a spiritual influencer, a reminder that science can open doors to the unknown. Penrose's formal idea, Orch-OR, proposes that consciousness arises from quantum information embedded in microtubules inside neurons. In 2014, neuroscientists detected quantum vibrations within microtubules, a real physical phenomenon that challenges simple neurons alone. By 2020, some studies suggested a link between consciousness and quantum entanglement, hinting thoughts may entangle with the universe. So, what happens when the brain stops functioning? The microtubules lose quantum states, yet information cannot vanish due to conservation laws. Consciousness, in this view, detaches from the body and releases back into the universe, like a radio signal that persists even if the radio breaks. This interpretation is framed as Orch-OR, proposed with Stuart Hameroff, a professor of anesthesiology at the University of Arizona. The idea that the brain hosts a quantum computer inside microtubules challenges the notion that consciousness is only neural electrical activity. In 2014, researchers detected quantum vibrations within microtubules, a finding that makes the science more mysterious than ever. By 2020, there were hints that consciousness might be linked to quantum entanglement across distances. So, what is death? When the brain stops, quantum states collapse, but the information behind them disperses rather than vanishing. Consciousness may detach and return to a matrix, the original cosmic information field from which it emerged. Historically, Duncan MacDougall measured a mysterious 21 grams loss at death, an idea ridiculed at first, but now reconsidered in new light. If consciousness is quantum information, the energy difference during this release could account for that weight change. Near-death experiences, or NDEs, report out-of-body experiences, tunnels of light, life reviews, and unconditional love. Harvard Medical School studied nearly 500 cardiac arrest survivors, finding that a significant portion reported conscious experiences during arrest. The data suggests consciousness may extend beyond the brain, acting like a wireless field that your body merely accesses. Departed loved ones, therefore, might persist in another form within the universe's quantum field. Penrose asserted that humans are not biological accidents, but reflections of cosmic consciousness. Death then becomes less frightening when viewed as a transition and a return to the larger field that pervades the universe. Consciousness is not produced by the brain, but received by it, like a radio tuning into cosmic signals. Even AI lags behind true consciousness, which involves quantum superposition rather than purely logical computation. Penrose argues the brain's microtubules act like quantum receivers, aligning with cosmic signals rather than generating them alone. In 2014 and 2020, independent studies connected microtubule vibrations with conscious fluctuations in meditator brain activity. Memory and emotion in this view are not lost at death, but re-encoded into the universe's information field. The life review reported in NDEs might be consciousness integrating before returning to the field. Dr. Sam Parnia's 2018 NYU study found many survivors recalled conscious experiences during clinical death, even with flat brain waves. This suggests consciousness could exist as energy that survives physiological collapse. Some scientists speculate higher dimensional string theory, up to 11 dimensions, where death could be a return from 4 to higher dimensions. We might live in a holographic projection with true existence in a higher dimensional information field. Consciousness could be the connective thread, the mother field, that links all beings in a shared quantum network. As we embody love and peace, we resonate with our surroundings, raising frequencies that touch plants, animals, and even fate. If you suffer, do not rush to escape pain. The universe records every tear as consciousness learns the depth of the human experience. Penrose captured a bold idea. The universe is a mirror of consciousness, and we are its reflection. Thus, death is not disappearance, but a transition back to the wider cosmos we inhabit. Looking back from Penrose to string theory, NDEs to quantum entanglement, the pieces converge toward a single idea: transition, not extinction. We are not simply souls trapped in bodies, but souls wearing bodies to experience life here and now. When the body wears out, the soul sheds its old coat and returns to the light, becoming again part of the cosmos. If this view holds, how could artificial intelligence ever develop true consciousness or connect with the cosmos? We invite you to share thoughts in the comments as we explore this profound frontier together. This journey blends physics, philosophy, and the whispers of the quantum, inviting us to rethink mortality and meaning. As the lights of inquiry dim and the questions deepen, the heartbeat of curiosity remains bright within us all. The science of Orch-OR and near-death experiences together suggest consciousness might be a fundamental feature of the universe. Ultimately, the question is not whether life continues after death, but whether we live with the awareness of a wider field within which we all belong. If Penrose is right, consciousness is not a product of matter alone, but a resonance that transcends the body. So, what does this mean for you? How might your life change if you viewed consciousness as a field you tap into? We invite you to share your reflections as we continue this exploration of science, soul, and signal.